Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the Zebronics Zeb Magnus Premium Gaming Keyboard. As we can see, the front of the package has an image of the keyboard with all of its RGB lights on. The Zebronics logo is on the top right and the Zeb Magnus branding is right here. On the left hand side and on the right hand side of the box, we can see some Zebronics branding along with the Zebronics website as well. On top is the Zeb Magnus branding. On the bottom, we have some of the key specifications and features of the product, but they are repeated on the back side as well. So we will move on to that right now. The features include a gold-plated USB interface, multicolored LED lighting. The LED lighting also has a breathing function. So basically it will strobe around and change color automatically. There are 5 multimedia keys. The cable is the braided kind. It has anti-ghosting keys. 26 of the keys are anti-ghosting. It has 120 keys in total. It also has buttons to adjust the brightness level. There are 5 programmable keys and 15 assignable functions. There are also 3 customizable macro keys. We also get advanced Windows software. Over here we have some manufacturing and importing details. Here we can see that the product is BIS certified. We also have a barcode, the Zeb Magnus branding once again, and the product is ISO certified. That's about it on the outside of the package, so let's get into it now. So here are the 5 customizable keys, G1, G2, G3, G4 and G5. On top are the M1, M2 and M3 keys for the macros. And here is the macro setting key. Right next to that we have the multimedia buttons. We have the mute button, the rewind button, the pause and play button, and the fast forward or next track button is right next to it. And we also have a button that might enable the equalizer of the music. To the right here we have the buttons to change the brightness. We also have one extra key that is a little bit different from other keyboards, and that is the locking key right here. It's next to the Alt key. Overall, in terms of design, we can see a grainy matte finish all across the keyboard except in the angular highlights on the top and here and the bottom as well. We can also see some white highlighting where the RGB lights will shine out of. There is a hole here that goes through the keyboard, and that is just a choice that the designers of this keyboard made. Here we have the lights for the num lock, caps lock, and another light for the windows. Underneath that we have the Zebronics branding. That's about it in terms of what is on the front side or on the top side of the keyboard. So let's turn things around and see what we find on the bottom. The bottom is dominated mostly by these angles, and inside those are these honeycomb designs. We also get 2 stands that you can use to prop up the keyboard slightly to meet your comfort levels. And we also have 2 rubberized pads right here on the bottom, which will prevent the keyboard from slipping around on a smooth surface. When it comes to the cable, we have a braided cable as we already read on the box, and in terms of length it is approximately 2 meters long. It also has a USB type A interface, and we can see the gold plating outside and on the inside as well. We can also see a USB logo on it. So this was the unboxing of the Zebronics Zeb Magnus Premium Gaming Keyboard. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.